Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to put Instagram stories on your profile. Instagram stories are a fun way to share moments with your followers, and you can also save them to your profile for longer visibility using highlights. This helps important or favorite stories stay visible beyond the usual 24-hour limit. In this guide, you'll learn how to put Instagram stories on your profile through these steps. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Make sure the story you want is posted or saved in your archive. If the story has expired, tap Archive or the plus button. Browse through your archive stories to find the one you want. Tap the story to open it. Then hit the next button. Enter a name for it. Tap Add or Done to save it. Go back to your profile to check that the highlight appears below your bio. Tap the highlight to preview the stories within it. You can edit, remove, share, etc. to this highlight anytime by tapping the three dots on the highlight. Tip: highlights let you keep your stories visible on your profile indefinitely, making it easy for new followers to catch up with your important posts.
That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.